Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making apple pie cinnamon rolls. And we only need 2 ingredients today. We're going to need a 21-ounce can of apple pie filling. And we're also going to need cinnamon rolls. I'm using the Pillsbury kind. So next, we're going to go ahead and open our cinnamon rolls and separate them. Okay guys, I have my apple pie filling in a bowl. I have my frosting, and as you can see, I separated the cinnamon rolls. Next, you want to get your cupcake pan. And all we're going to do is spray that with a non-stick cooking spray, and I'm using a butter flavored one. Okay guys, as you can see, my pan is sprayed. And all you want to do is take your cinnamon rolls and put them into your pan. Okay guys, once in your pan, as you can see with this one, all you do is push and just basically make a cup. And you do that to each one of them. Push down in the middle and make a cup that goes around. Now preheat your oven at this time to 375 degrees. Okay guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is get your apple pie filling and just fill them. Just like that. Okay guys, once they're filled, you want to put them into your oven. Remember, it should be preheated at 375 degrees. And you want to cook them for 14 to 17 minutes. You guys, you need to keep an eye on them. Around the 14-minute mark, you want to check on them. Okay guys, the apple pie cinnamon rolls are now out of the oven. And all you want to do is get your icing and just drizzle on top. And put as much as you like on it. They smell so good, guys. This is a good dessert, a good breakfast. You can have it after dinner. It's just an all-around good dessert. It's very tasty too. Okay guys, here you have it. Apple pie cinnamon rolls. So guys, if you liked my video, please come back again. I thank you as always for coming and watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.